Nothing but muscle out here, alright? Y'all stay tuned, man. Look like I caught him in the middle of a pool. Somebody's on the dyno. I'm gonna need y'all to keep quiet, alright? Shh, shh, shh. So the question becomes, is the ZF8HP transmission overhaulable? The answer is yes, guys. I'm here at All Park Garage, okay? Yeah, they got this one tore down, got it all gutted out, all right? I don't know, have no idea where they getting overhaul kit parts from. However, at the dealership, we can't get parts. So these guys, I'm thinking they're going to that BMW shop up there. BMW sell kits. Remember, they use the same transmission or similar transmission. The designated numbers are different, but however, I had one tore down, about 2 months ago? Y'all remember that video I uploaded where I had to put an upgraded part in from Chrysler? But the dealership, we don't get typical valve body. Everything the same, guys. It's just that we don't see this setting that much because we don't have an overhaul kit available. So when we got a problem internally, we have to repair it. Yeah, sure, we can replace things like seals and the valve body and the torque converter, but internals, if any problems with that, we have to replace it, man. Y'all stay tuned. Ooh, this is a 300, guys. Chrysler 300. And look what's under the hood. 6.2 Hellcat trim package. Alright, you got music playing in the background, so I'm going to be limited in what I can say. Oh my goodness, this is freaking sweet. Y'all stay tuned. Ooh, look at the beauty here. Oh my goodness.